So hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to explain and discuss the question of end semester examination. So let's start. So here the first question which says that a given notations of representation, the following component of formal languages. So here we got to represent the notation for different components of the following formal languages. So let's see it. So as we can see on the screen that alphabet is denoted by the symbol sigma, string is denoted by W, empty string as you can see on the screen, and all the notations uh, which can you see on the screen are the components of formal languages. So here's the first part of our first question. So let's move to the second one. So the second question says that we got to define finite automata and its acceptance of a string by finite automata. So finite automata is nothing but a five tuple. So let's discuss five tuples one by one, where Q is the finite set of states as you can see on the screen, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Sigma is the finite set of input alphabets. Q0 is the input state and delta is the set of transition functions. The set of transition functions which means the state which we move from one state to another, it is known as the transition of states, and F is are the final state. So the acceptance of a string by a finite automata refers to whether the finite automation when a given a specific input string ends up in an accepted state after processing the entire string according to its transition rules. If the automation reaches an accepting state, it is said to be accepted the string, otherwise it is rejected. The acceptance or rejection of string by finite automata depends on whether the final state it reaches is one of the designated accepting states. So the third part of our first question is we got to differentiate between NFA and DFA. NFA is nothing but the non-definite finite automata and definite finite automata. So DFA and NFA. The DFA's dead configuration is not allowed, and in NFA dead configuration is allowed. Multiple choices are not available, multiple choices are available. A move is not allowed, a move is allowed. Designing and understanding is difficult, designing and understanding is not that difficult. So we got to see the true or false for the following next question. If L is the language accepted by non-definite for finite automata, the L is also accepted by DFA, which is true. Another one is for every NFA, there exists an equivalent DFA that simulates the behavior of NFA, which is also true. In NFA to DFA conversion for end state, there exists M DFA, which is false. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.